Hi, so this is my review for my current Hotpoint Ice Diamonds fridge freezer. As you can see, it's average size for the average couple maybe. My review is about space really. We've got a 10-month-old son. My partner is dairy intolerant, so we have the milk's on the side at the minute, but we have 3 different types of milk. Dairy free, blue for the baby, red for me, protein shakes, yogurts, baby yogurts, other half dairy free yogurts, my yogurts, butters, vegetables, fruit. We're just finding that with us both working full time and having a baby, we like to prepare our meals a week or 2 in advance, and we are running out of room rapidly. We also like to grab bargains when we see them, which is proving difficult with this limited space. Yeah, so we're just sort of struggling with the whole baby eating now, trying to make his meal, so if Nanny or Auntie's got him, we can just grab something. We're trying to make our lives easier, given that we both work full time. We just love to be able to store more in there, yeah, sort of safely without it toppling over each time I get something out. Thank you.